Hey folks! Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to flip your images in 3 different ways. Today, I will show you how to rotate your images using Python in the simplest and easiest way. First of all, include a PIL library. If you don't know how to install this library, I will put in the description how to install this. It is another library in Python, used for image processing. Now, we will write our main function. In this main function, first of all, we will read the image. I will write the separate functions for each of the rotation. After getting rotated image, I will save it to see the result. First of all, I will rotate my image clockwise. Secondly, I will rotate my image counterclockwise. And lastly, I will rotate my image upside down. So, after finishing our code, now we will run our program and see the result. As you can see, we have 3 new rotated images. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.